Hey guys, welcome back to Stock My Closet. In today's video, I'll show you how to make this beautiful full circle skirt with an elastic waistband. It has gorgeous flare, a lovely drape, and is perfect for summer. Before we get started, let's take a quick look at the measurements and fabric details used for this skirt. Now that we have everything ready, let's begin with the cutting process. First, fold the fabric widthwise. And then lengthwise. So I have 4 layers. These 2 edges are the folded sides. Now at the top folded corner, I'll mark the radius. And it's not as complicated as it sounds. You only need to do one simple calculation to draft a full circle skirt. Since I'm making a full elastic waistband, the skirt needs to pass comfortably over the hips. So take your hip measurement, add ease, and then divide the total by 6.28. The value you get is your radius. Next, let's mark the skirt length. The length you can get depends on your fabric width. On this side, I can get a maximum length of 20 inches, and on the other side, I can get 21.5 inches. I'm making 20-inch skirt, so I'll mark 20 inches from the waist curve. Now, keeping the measuring tape at the top corner, I'll mark the same measurement all the way across to create the hem curve. So marking is complete. Now I'll cut it out. Next, I'll cut the waistband. Measure the skirt waist, then cut the waistband slightly longer than that measurement. We'll trim the excess later if needed. Although the skirt is cut on the bias, the waistband is cut on the straight grain for better stability. Now that the cutting is complete, let's move on to the sewing process. First, I'll attach the waistband. Place the right side of the waistband against the wrong side of the skirt waist. Align the raw edges and stitch all the way around. If your waistband has any joints, make sure all the seam allowances are pressed in the same direction. This will help the elastic slide through the casing smoothly. Next, fold the waistband towards the right side of the skirt. Fold the seam allowance inside and press it neatly. Now top stitch close to the folded edge to secure the waistband, leaving a small opening to insert the elastic. The waistband is now ready, so it's time to insert the elastic. I'm using 1¼ inch wide elastic. Attach a safety pin to one end and thread it through the waistband casing. Once the elastic is all the way through, overlap the ends and stitch them together securely. Then close the opening we left in the waistband. Next, I'll finish the hem. Double fold the hem allowance and stitch close to the folded edge to secure it. Since this full circle skirt is cut on the fold, there are no side seams, giving it a clean and seamless finish. And that's it. Our full circle skirt is now complete. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more sewing tutorials. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.